We've got ourselves a taste test of the Thomas Cooper's Innkeeper's Daughter Sparkling Pale Ale. Man, that's a mouthful, but after the amount of videos I've done on this damn beer, I've finally got it down pat what the hell this thing's called. It's a good looking beer. The head was much better. I've had it outside. I was getting my stogie ready because we're going to have a little Cuban stogie as well. But this is it, man. If you've been following this one, if you haven't, go back and have a look. This is the most troublesome beer I've ever brewed in my life. We had a stalled fermentation. We had outdated yeast. I had to add a cup of dextrose, a cup of sucrose, new yeast, cold crashed it. I know more happened. What happened? Oh, I went to carbonate it, and my regulator was leaking, so it wasn't carbonating. Then I forgot about it on the CO2. Carbonate it, left it over carbed it. So for the last 3-4 days, I've been bleeding off the CO2, and it looks good. It's not over carbonated anymore. I am going to do one more video in this damn series because I've got 2 bottles of this stuff bottled. So I'm going to do a taste test between the two and tell you the difference, see which I like better. Usually I like bottled beer better. Anyway, without further ado, let's finally taste this bad boy. It's probably the worst beer I've ever brewed. Not high expectations are not there. Not much aroma at all, although I can hardly smell anything anyway. She's not a hoppy beer, sparkling ale. I don't even know what that is. Australian apparently. Not getting a lot of aroma, but not surprised. Nice color though, clear. I put gelatin to that. It's fermented for like a month. It's been conditioning in the kegerator for probably close to a month, so it should be definitely clear. Let's get her into me. It's okay. Let's go with okay. For all the, it's got a, I'm not going to say a cidery because it's not cidery. It's got a, it doesn't have the homebrew twang, but it's got a little something. I can't pinpoint it. I'm definitely going to drink it. It's very drinkable. No issues there. And for everything we did to it, it's a surprisingly a winner. From that standpoint, we will not brew it again. Not the way I did it. I will give the Thomas Cooper's Innkeeper Sparkling Ale another go, and we will use the beer enhancer. I'll figure out which one at the time, and we'll make sure our yeast is good, and we will not screw up carbonating and all that good shit. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're not dumping it. It's drinkable. It's, what is that? No, I can't even, you can't, it does not have the homebrew twang. I'd like to say that's the homebrew twang I'm picking up, but it's not. It's some sort of, maybe it's an off flavor of some sort, but it's not bad. It's definitely drinkable. Nowhere near one of my favorite beers at all time at all, but definitely highly drinkable and consumable, and I'll probably have a couple more of these bad boys. Get the first one into you. You're good to go anyways. That's what I got, guys. Again, subscribe because I will be doing the taste test comparison of the kegged versus the bottle. We'll do that, and then I can finally put this beer to rest, which won't be a bad thing. And if you're new to brewing, be sure to subscribe to my Beginner Brewers Bootcamp, where I do talk about making good beer kits. This was just, some beers just go to shite. This one did, but we saved it. So that's the lesson there. And if you've been brewing a while and you want to move into all grain, if you're into all grain, by all means, I give away my top 5 best-selling beer recipes from my brew pub. They are, the description for that is in the link as well. It's in the description as well, the link to it. That's what I got, guys. She must give a kick because I'm talking a little silly here at the moment, kind of not making a hell of a lot of sense, but I'm going to puff on a stogie. I drink myself some okay homebrew and call it Friday night. Cheers, guys. Big Rob. He gone.